How to cook perfect ackee. Ackee is a famous Jamaican dish made with, well, the ackee fruit. In fact, ackee fruit is used as a vegetable. Ackee fruits are very showy, hanging off a tree like bright red Christmas ornaments. And there is a special way to cook ackee. Meet Philemon and Bob. They will share the secret of properly cooking ackee. James will be assisting them. First, before picking the fresh fruit, you must wait until they break open on a tree. This means they are fully ripe and can be used for food. Ackee shouldn't be eaten fresh. Remember, it is a vegetable that must be properly cooked. Don't try uncooked fruit. It contains toxins that will disappear after cooking. Ackee is perfectly safe to eat if harvested and prepared correctly. When prepared right, ackee is very good for you. Ackee is high in protein, fiber, vitamin A, and many minerals such as iron, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. So let's start. The outer shell must be naturally open before picking, just like that. Extract the pegs from the pods. Remove the black seeds. Save the seeds for planting to grow more ackee trees that you can add to your garden or give to friends. Carefully clean out the red membranes embedded in the flesh of the peg. Rinse the cleaned fruit thoroughly in several waters and drain. Now get a large pot of salted water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add your cleaned ackee. Let it come to a boil again, reduce heat, and set your timer. Cook the ackee for exactly 2 minutes. Turn it off. Drain the water and add some butter, and your ackee is ready to eat. It will be perfectly delicious, well cooked but not mushy, just right. You can use it as a side dish for any meal or enjoy it like an omelet. Get your own ackee tree from toptropicals.com today, and always have a nutritious and delicious meal. Start saving on growing your own food.